let's take a look at this question. We're told that y equals kx to the power of n, and we're given a graph of log to the base 10y against log to the base 10x. This is a log-log graph question. The key idea here is that we take logs to turn this into a straight line, and we're going to use that to help us. First thing we're going to do is take log to the base 10 of our original equation. So log to the base 10 of y equals log to the base 10 of kx to the power of n. Now there are two rules that we can apply here. Log to the base 10 of y is equal to log to the base 10 of k, and because we're multiplying these two terms, it's the same as adding their two log values together. So I can have plus, and in the same line, I'm going to move that power round because it can become the coefficient on my log to the base 10 of x. Now, just for clarity, I'm going to rewrite this in a different form. And the reason that that helps me is because I can now have a direct comparison to y equals mx plus c, which is our straight line equation. So this means that we can now see that n is equal to m. So our gradient is going to give us our n value, and log to the base 10 of k is going to give us our y-intercept. So using the coordinates on the diagram, I'm going to calculate my gradient, which is going to be 9 minus 3 over 4 minus 1. Remember, it's always y coordinates subtracted on the top and x coordinates on the bottom. That simplifies to 6 over 3, which simplifies to 2. So that means that my n value is equal to 2. I then need to calculate my y-intercept. To do that, I'm going to pick one coordinate and I'm going to stick with that consistently. I'm going to choose 1, 3, just because they're lower numbers and a little bit easier to work with. So I know that 1 is my x coordinate and 3 is my y coordinate. If I substitute these in, I get 3 equals my gradient, which is 2, times by my x coordinate, which is 1, plus log to the base 10 of k, which is my y-intercept. Simplifying this, I end up with 1 equals log to the base 10 of k, 10 to the power of 1 gives me my k value, and 10 to the power of 1 is just 10. So for this, my n value is 2 and my k value is 10. Exam tip for log-log graphs: take logs, rewrite in a straight line form, and then read the gradient and the y-intercept off.